a very difficult task if they coerce us into Anim State. Somebody from Imo State, somebody from Ohaji will first get to Owerri, then enter bus to Olo. So we don't want that, and we say no to that. Another reason for our agitation to remain in Imo State is that if other local governments that are oil producing will be taken to Anim State, and the Ohaji being the oil producing local government remaining in Imo State will also give Imo State an oil producing status. So meaning that if they, after creating more states in Olu State, we will have more oil producing states in Southeast. So anybody saying that has a reasonable point. So let the world hear that we are not selfish in saying that we want to remain in our Imo State. Proximity from here to Owerri, you get faster than any other place. So let the National Assembly consider this very important fact and make sure that in the movement to create more states, Ohaji remains in Imo State. So Ohaji will not be part of the proposal law or Anim State. As much as we support the creation of additional states in the southeast, the political zone, the people of Ohaji insist we remain in Imo State with Owerri as its capital. It is our prayer that the voice of the people of Ohaji would be given utmost attention, as it is our fundamental right to determine where we should belong.
Ohaji youths said that they don't want to be in Anim State, that they want to remain in Imo State. Imo State is an oil producing state, and Ohaji people are one of the biggest oil producers in Imo State. The proposed Anim State took almost all the oil producing areas in Imo State. You pack almost every region where gets crude oil and gas for their land, put for Anim State. That means Anim State agitators want to render Imo State useless. And because of that, Ohaji youths came out saying that they don't want to join Anim State. Anim State will be gotten from mapping out land from Anambra and Imo State to create that Anim State. The place that they want to map out from Anambra State is Ihiala local government. Ihiala people, what are you people doing concerning this Anim State agitation? Do you people want to join it or you don't want to join it? You Ihiala people, you people are expected to do a press conference the way Ohaji people did. I don't know why you people have not made any press statement. Abi get person that they fear for Anambra and Imo State. It can't be like say Anim State agitators don't meet una, give una money, tell una say make una shut up una mouth, make una join Anim State. If you Ihiala people don't want Anim State, you people should do a press conference telling the National Assembly that you people are not part of Anim State, that you don't want to join Anim State. Ohaji people, when you are doing a press conference next time, make sure you bring national television to that place. Television like Arise News, NTA News, Channels Television. Bring these people to capture that event. It's so important to bring national television to capture what you are doing as evidence that you people are against joining Anim State. Because without national TV, this thing where una do so, National Assembly not go see am as una do press conference. They go talk say you people are content creators. If you carry video like this where national television not carry, go court as evidence. Judge go tell you say this thing is content, and that's because national television not carry that event. If you carry any video from national TV, go court, chief judge go listen to you, because the information that you are presenting to them from a national TV is seen as valid. But anything where be say person just carrying phone video, come post them, they see it as content creation. Ohaji people did a very good job here. What is the importance of Anim State to Igbo nation? Nothing. Instead of expanding the southeast, you are shrinking the southeast because you want to get crude oil well that you will be benefiting from. That's why you mapped out places in Imo State that have crude oil. Is that not greed and selfishness? You hear that people should speak up. And then people went to the National Assembly to see the Deputy Senate President, telling him that Anim State is the most viable state that should be created for the Southeast, that Anim people have done everything necessary for their state to be created. People that are supposed to be talking about state creation for the Southeast are Anioma people and other people. Not Anim. Anim State will not add extra land mass to the Southeast. It will not add extra resources to the Southeast. It will not add extra population to the Southeast. It will not increase the political strength of the Southeast. It will not unite Ndi Igbo. It did not grow the Southeast. Instead, it is shrinking the Southeast. This is the reason why we Ndi Igbo are expected to stand against Anim State. Anim State is a distraction to Igbo nation. Every sensible politician from the Southeast are expected to stand against Anim State. We Anioma people, we have been clamoring to join the Southeast since 1938. This year, 2026, made it 88 years. The Southeast gave we Anioma people that slot to join them. And we Anioma people have taken that slot. We have done everything possible to see that Anioma State join the Southeast. If Hope Uzodinma, where the sponsor Anim State, join hand with Senator Ned Nwoko to make sure say Anioma State join Southeast. Now bad thing. Hope Uzodinma, if you support Anioma State to join Southeast, now bad thing. No be bad thing. But lack of Obi-Wan no go allow you. Haters of Igbo nation are saying that the Southeast is landlocked. Instead of uniting with your Igbo brothers outside the Southeast to join the Southeast, to expand the Southeast, to expand the landmass of Igbo nation to its original form, you say no. Say you want push the indigenous Igbos in the South away. Make you map out land from Anambra and Imo to create a state. All this is why they talk so. Hope Uzodinma and Izuna so no. They knows everything why they talk for here na true. They knows everything why they talk for here na fact. Instead of us to support one thing to get that thing, some of us go start to dey bring out different things to distract the main cause. Make we get Anioma State. Some people carry another state where they call Anim State come out. Anim State agitation does not have a sound argument. Which argument you want carry Anim State matter go make you win? What are the benefits of Anim State to Igbo nation? Nothing. The only people where Anim State add something to them, now those people where agitate for Anim State. Some of them won't become House of Reps members. Some of them won't become local government chairmen. Some of them won't become senators. Some of them won't become governors. That is the reason why they are agitating for Anim State. That is why some people are saying that Ndi Igbo don't have an agenda. Ndi Igbo have an agenda. Now, those set of Igbo politicians will not know wetin good for Ndi Igbo. That be the problem wey we dey face for Igbo land. Because with the power where Hope Uzodinma get, with the position where him occupy for Igbo land, he is supposed to be supporting Anioma State. That is what every good politician from Igbo land is expected to do. Imagine say the indigenous Igbos in River State, they clamor say they won't get a state to join the Southeast. Do you know what it means for the Southeast? That means everything where Igbo nation they find, they don't get and be that. Number one, it returns the original landmass of Igbo nation. It will increase our population. It will strengthen our unity. It will strengthen the political strength of Ndi Igbo and so on. That is what we Igbos are supposed to be doing. If a garden Ndi Igbo ni nema, Anioma State have gotten so much recognition in Nigeria, a state that was supported by 97 senators, a state that Senate presidents, deputy Senate presidents, and Tinubu are in support of. Anioma State have met every constitutional requirement. Wetin remain for Anim State na third reading. And after that, they will submit the document to Tinubu for him to sign and create Anim State. That is the only thing remaining. So those people that are saying, why is the state taking long? Na constitutional process they take things long. Not be we Anim people they cause am. Not be Anim State they cause am. Not be other states they cause am. Na constitutional process. Thank you so much, Ohaji Youth President and Ohaji Youths, for speaking the mind of Igbo nation. You people should make sure that you stand against Anim State. Anim State is a distraction. Anim State is only trying to destroy the unity in Imo State. Ihiala people in Anambra State, you people should do your own press conference. Call Arise News. Call NTA News. Call TVC News. Call Channels Television. That is the most important thing that you people need. Make sure you call these people and do your press conference telling Nigeria that you don't want to join Anim State. Give them reasons why you don't want to join Anim State. I hear a lot of people complaining that they are being marginalized in Anambra State. No. Ihiala is the food basket of Anambra State when I want take and come out from Anambra. If we talk now, some of them will talk say, Ihiala people are Olo people. They are one people with Olo. They are brothers with Olo. They tell us say, Ihiala people say in another country that they know. Now the same Igbo land we dey. So, leave Ihiala people to be in Anambra State. They are not complaining. Ihiala people, if you do a press conference telling Nigeria that you don't want to join Anim State, you people are helping Anim State. That is one of the biggest support that you will give to Anim State. So, you people should be bold to come out and speak up. Nobody go flog una case, nobody go beat una say, una talk say una no want join Anim State. Anim State is a selfish agenda. Anim State is a greedy agenda. Anim State has no advantage to Igbo nation. Anim State is not expanding Igbo nation. Anim State is shrinking Igbo nation. Igbo bofu, and we will never allow any selfish and greedy agenda from any politician from Igbo land to destroy Igbo agenda. Ishiagwale.